How to disable email notifications on both Android and iOS. That's I'm going to show you guys in this quick video. So let's get started right away. So firstly, what you have to do to disable email notifications on Android and iOS, and it works on both Android and iOS. So firstly, what you have to do is you have to click on the three horizontal lines in the top left corner, and it opens like this one, and you have to scroll down and then click on the settings option in the second last option, and here you have to choose any of the specific account that you want to disable email notifications. So let's see, I choose this account, and then you can and then here you have to find, after clicking on the account, you have to find the notifications tab. So here you can see the notifications tab is here. So the first option, notifications all, click on the notifications, and there is all these options. So you have to, and this video is about disabling email notifications. So you have to uh, choose the none, and now you can't receive the notifications from this email. So that's basically it, that how you can disable the email notifications. So if you found this video helpful, please subscribe to my channel, like on this video, and comment below that it works. I appreciate that.